morning po, brothers and sisters. Akala ko mamaya po, sorry. So good morning po. Indeed, God's love endures. Pastor
Lives. More than you'll ever know. Ayun. So my testimony today, actually, sinunod ko tong dress na to kasi ito yung pinaka-testimony ko. No? I wore this when I was a worship leader in Abu Dhabi. I wore this in my graduation. This was my graduation dress. And, ayun, apparently, I wore this today. Just, my testimony of the goodness of God in our lives. So, ano kasi, yung journey ko, it was the road not taken. It is. Kasi I'm going the road not taken. Kasi nga, yung pagkuha ko ng course ko is, actually, it's not for my age. And actually, nobody knows, parang bihirang may alam na nagtitake ako ng medicine. But, yun nga, it's a testimony of God kasi. Kasi actually, we had been working in Abu Dhabi kasi with my husband and my family. And no one would expect na we would go home. Kasi I had a good career, my husband had a good career. And apparently, we went home kasi nga, actually siya yung may ayaw na ako gusto ko pa. But it's God's will actually. Kasi sabi nga kanina doon sa song, diba? In every season, I know you love me. Kaya tayo nandito, kaya kami nandito ngayon. I was a nurse in Abu Dhabi for 12 years, and now, I have finished a course in medicine. Hindi pa po ako Ayun. But I just want to share the goodness of God, no? When we went home, we went home, actually my family went home before me. May 26 yun, supposed to be. And, nung time na yon, nagkaroon ng sakit yung mga anak ko, nag-fever yung asawa ko, yung tatlong anak ko. Lahat sila. Nagtanong ako, Lord, bakit? Kasi kailangan mag-rebook ng ticket, ba ito side for us to go home na. So, we have to save all the money we had. I asked God, bakit? 50,000 din yun. Eh bakit naman, Lord, ba't naman ngayon? Tapos i-delay mo pa yung flight, eh may hinahabol nga yung asawa ko dun sa Tabu. But the next day, his cousin died. Iniisip ko kasi he was very close with this cousin. And there's a very high percentage na kasama siya doon sa accident kung nakauwi kami. Would I be with my husband right now? No. Kung hindi na-delay yung flight na yun. It was the goodness of God. And yun nga, yung pag-take ko ng medicine, it's also the goodness of God. Bakit nga? Kasi nga, it's not for my age. Diba, hindi nyo ako makita rito. Kasi nung clerkship namin, isang off, wala kami. But I survived it. One more miracle that happened in our life was, actually, I was from Cagayan State University. I transferred without any problems in my grades. They even asked me to stay. Kinausap ako ng hindi. Kinausap pa niya yung asawa ko actually. But then I chose to transfer. And when I transferred, after some months, my papa had an accident. Until now, bedridden siya. But kung hindi ako nag-transfer from CSU to PLT, would I have been there for my dad? No. Nung nag-transfer ako, nung year na yun na nangyari din yun, nagawa ng way ni Lord para maging andun ako para sa Kanya. Yung sa 2 months na yun, na 2 weeks siya sa ICU. I don't know, there's the miracle of God is something that we cannot explain. The miracle of God is something that surpasses our understanding. Kaya ngayon, magtatanong ka pa rin, di ba? Ay, sabi nga doon sa quote, when you ask for blessings, hindi ka naman sasagutin ng no ni Lord eh. He will say yes, He will say later, He will say, there's something better for you. Hanggang ngayon kung ano yung sagot niya doon sa hiling namin, sa pag-uwi namin, I still don't know. But praise God, He's an ever good, ever loving, ever merciful Father. And with the struggles, lahat naman tayo may struggles. Right? So with the struggles that we're facing, mga struggles na i-face natin, mga problems na harapin pa natin, I am excited. Excited ba kayo? I am excited. We should be excited. Why? Kasi nga, it's God's way of saying. It's God's way of saying na sa blessings na hiniling ninyo, is either He will give it later, or there's something better for you. To God be the glory po.
Thank you, Sis Abby. Diba? So, baka sunod ka na rin.